Alright, YouTube, we are back for a crazy update today. Dare I say we're going to start with the small cakes. I'm blessed to say these are smaller cakes this year, but we got another Master Speed 1-1. We got this Master Meeting of Colors. A little bit smaller, right? We do also have Master Game, which is a little bit bigger as well. We got Master Salute to Blue, 400 shot salute cake, blue tails. Haven't seen many videos on it, but it's sick. Got Master Roaring Peacocks. This one's huge as well. Comes with a piece of fucking plywood on top of it. Some real deal. Also got Master $1 Million Piece. Same thing on that one. Like huge cakes too. And then we got two more big bitches as well. Got the Master Nishiki Komoru and the Master Thunder Nishiki Crown. This one cut open right now. $2 on that bitch. Yeah. Be bringing you some more stuff soon.